Good evening, everyone. I'm Mr. Barone. I'm the principal here at Patuxent High. Thank you for joining us for our open house. It's a little different this year with us all being outside, but we're happy that you're here. Here at Patuxent High, we train champions in athletics, academics, and the arts. And the best way for us to help you do that is by getting your student involved. So if they haven't already found a club, team, or something to get involved with beyond their classes, please help them do that. There's a lot of those folks here tonight that you can meet with, but that is the best way for your student success. We are also excited to meet you. So please come up and introduce yourself to me and the other admin as you see us walking around tonight. But again, we're happy you're here. Have a good evening.
Good evening. My name is Ann Rickwood. I am one of the assistant principals here at Patuxent. My main responsibility areas are I am the IEP chairperson and the AP coordinator. So there'll be lots of information about PSAT coming out, and if your student is taking an AP test, you'll see emails from me about that to get them signed up. If a student needs accommodations on the College Board test, so PSAT, SAT, AP exams, I'm the person you need to see for that as well. I also am in charge of PBIS along with Ms. Pardo and Ms. Waller. And PBIS is a great way for your students to get involved in the school. We have student members of a team. We also accept donations for our thrift shop, for our monthly raffles that we have. So if you are interested in providing any donations for us as well, we'll have information out in Mr. Barone's weekly newsletter as well. So we look forward to getting to know your students, and we hope you have a great night.
Hey, good evening. I'm Mr. Forrest. I am the 9th and 12th grade administrator. I'll be assigned to your students in the 9th and 12th grade and all other duties assigned to me in that role. I'm excited to work with you and your students to make sure that their year is full of opportunities to grow and become successful. If you have any questions or ever need to get in touch with me, please feel free to email or call. I'm excited about helping your child leave their legacy here at Patuxent High School. Again, I'm Mr. Forrest. Hope you guys have a great night.
Hey, PAX Nation. I'm Mrs. Pellock, and I'm the 10th grade administrator, as most of you know. There are a couple other things that I also oversee within the building. One of those is for 504 plans. So if you're a student with a 504 plan, I'll be in the meetings with you, making sure that you get all the accommodations that you need. And I'm also the Student Services Success Team Coordinator. And what that basically means is we look at attendance, we make sure if you need any special things like therapy, if you need just extra things within the building, you're having some concerns, we get to help you with all of your needs. So besides discipline, my favorite thing is definitely working with student success. So come see me if you need anything at all. Have a great beginning of your school year.
Hi, I'm Michelle Bell. I'm the 11th grade administrator, and your student will get lots of emails from me about testing and our lunch opportunities. Make sure you stay in the know by checking out our SMORE site, which is always in Mr. Barone's weekly email, and subscribing to all of our social media. Woo!